delete them. I haven't backed up, but I'm still afraid to delete them.
Watch, your backups are corrupt, and you'll never see them ever again.
That's expensive to print pictures. It'll happen. I promise.
Did it take as long when you did it?
No.
So it just can't handle the ugly that's trying to be processed through. Okay.
Oh.
So, how was your day? Yeah.
I don't know. Kids and messes and stuff.
And having an excuse to get the hell out. You're welcome.
No.
You can thank me with my Eiffel Tower.
Okay.
Yes.
Raven, he got the Cocoa Puffs and did this. So they went all over the kitchen floor.
Why would he do that with Cocoa Puffs? Reese's Puffs are way better.
They are, they are. He picked one out.
Really?
And
Are
he
you
didn't.
kidding me?